In this video, you'll learn how to color code Google Drive folders and shortcuts so your files are easier to navigate and organize. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Google Drive in your browser. You can do this by typing the Google Drive URL into the address bar or by clicking on it from your Google Apps menu if you're already signed into your Google account. Give it a moment to load, and you should see your usual Drive layout with folders, files, and possibly shared items. Once Google Drive is open, take a look around and locate the folder or shortcut you want to color code. This could be a main folder you use all the time, like work documents or school projects, or a shortcut that points to a shared folder someone else has given you access to. Remember, you can color code both regular folders and shortcuts, which makes it easier to visually group related items, even if they're stored in different places. When you've found the folder or shortcut you want to change, move your mouse over it and right-click. On a trackpad, this might mean using a two-finger click or holding down a special key while you click, depending on your device settings. The key thing is to bring up the context menu that appears when you right-click in Google Drive. After right-clicking, you'll see a list of options related to that folder or shortcut. Look for the option labeled Organize and click it. This menu is where you manage how things are arranged and visually presented, and it's where the color settings are tucked away. Once you click Organize, another set of choices will appear. From here, select Folder Color. If you're working with a shortcut, it will still refer to the folder's color because you're essentially adjusting how that folder appears in your Drive view. This step opens the small color palette that Google Drive provides for folders. Now you'll see a selection of colors you can choose from. Take a moment to think about what will make the most sense for you. For example, you might want to use blue for work, green for finances, yellow for personal projects, or red for something that needs urgent attention. There's no right or wrong choice here. The color is just a visual cue to help you recognize folders quickly. Click on the color you want, and you'll see the folder or shortcut instantly update to that shade. If the change doesn't appear right away, try briefly clicking somewhere else in the window or refreshing the page. Once it's visible, check that the color stands out the way you want it to among your other folders. You can repeat this process for as many folders and shortcuts as you like. Over time, you might find it helpful to create a simple color system and stick to it so that you can glance at your drive and immediately know what's what without reading every folder name. That's all there is to it. By opening Google Drive in your browser, locating the folder or shortcut, right-clicking it, choosing Organize, selecting folder color, and picking a color you like, you can quickly turn a cluttered list of gray folders into a more organized, color-coded workspace.